ando na ang oras para syempre tayo mag-thank you at mag-promote para sa ating pelikulang Everyday I Love You. Let's start of course with Direk. Sige.
Okay, so thank you very much. Again, I see the faces that I see pag meron tayong vloggers conference and new faces. Thank you for joining us in this intimate, very intimate, very unique setup for taking time out to come all the way to Valenzuela to come and join us. Please do spread the word about this film. Thank you for your support and your time. And yun, hope you like the movie when you watch it na when it comes out.
Thank you, Direk May, Gerald Anderson.
Ayun, maraming pong salamat. Thank you for coming here. Alam ko, napakaganda po ng location natin at hindi masyado mainit. Pero thank you still. Sana po supportahan niyo po kami ikalat ang magandang balita tungkol sa Everyday I Love You. Pinaghirapan po namin ito para sa inyong lahat. So sana po abangan niyo sa October 20.
Liza!
Sorry. Hi everybody! I just want to say thank you again for coming here and lagi niyo pinapakita sa amin yung love and support niyo. Thank you guys, and thank you din dahil you guys came out of your way just to come here to Valenzuela to spend your time with us at sana yun nga i-share po niyo news about Everyday I Love You kasi medyo kulang po kami sa magiging promo so we need help and thank you guys for all the love and support and October 28 po, Everyday I Love You.
Enrique Hill!
Yeah, thank you po again for having the time to come here. And I hope you guys have time also to spread the word sa mga families nyo, friends. And please watch Everyday I Love You. Marami po kayong matututunan dito. You're gonna be inspired sa story. And I'm sure you guys are gonna learn a lot. It'll make you think twice. And be more happy with yourself after. And you're gonna learn a lot about love. So, ayun po. Thank you so much. Please spread the word and every day we love you guys. Thank you.
Yay! Thank you so much everybody for coming dito sa Valenzuela. October 28 na po sa lahat ng mga sinihan ng Everyday I Love You directed by Direk May Cruz of Yar. Diba? Thank you so much!
Photo op na po para po makakit na po sila.
Oo.